So I'm given this example where the limits of x go from 0 to pi over 2, and limits from y go from -1 to 2, and then I'm asked to find the integral over the area R of y sine x dA. Okay, so I'm going to plug that in, and I have integral y sine x, and I'm going to integrate in terms of x first. So I'll put dx, and then I have to put the limits for x, which are going to be 0 to pi over 2. Then I'm going to do dy, and those limits are from -1 to 2. Okay, so I get, when I integrate in terms of x, the y is still there, so I get -y. Integral of sine x is going to be, well, negative cosine x, sorry. Cosine x, that's where the negative came from 0 to pi over 2, and dy is still there. Okay, so now I need to plug in my values for x. So this is equal integral from -1 to 2 of negative y cosine of pi over 2 minus -y cosine of 0. Extra dy. Okay, when I plug this in, I have the integral from -1 to 2 of -y. Now cosine of pi over 2 is 0. It's times 0 minus cosine of 0 is 1. So I have -y times 1 dy. Okay, so I have the integral from -1 to 2. That's gone. Minus -y, so I get a positive y dy. Now integrating y is pretty easy. We have y squared half from -1 to 2. Plugging that in, I have 1/2 times 2 squared minus 1/2 times -1 squared, which is going to give me 4 over 2 minus 1 over 2, which gives me 3 over 2.